Today we discuss the topic about keys and what is the importance of keys and types of key. Let me start about the topic. Keys. First we saw the definitions. It's used to uniquely identify any record or row of data from the table. It's also used to establish and identify relationship between the tables. What is key? In terms of Dbms, key users particularly select the row. There are 4 types of keys: super key, candidate key, primary key, foreign key. First we see that primary key. Primary key definition is: the primary key is minimal set of attribute. Minimal set of attribute which uniquely identify any row of a table. The primary key cannot have a null value. It cannot have duplicate value. Primary key means that uniquely identify the data and primary values not equal null values. Let me see the table. Roll number, name, address. Uniquely identify the data. So we select roll number is primary key. So we select roll number is primary key. Then next we saw that foreign key. The foreign key of table is the attribute which establishes relationship among the tables. The foreign key is attribute which points to the primary key of another table. One table candidate key use reference to the another table primary key. This is course ID is one table candidate key is used to another table primary key. It is called the foreign key. Next we see that super key. Super key or simply is a combination of all possible attributes which can uniquely identify the rows in a tuple. Super key means maximal combination of key. Employee ID, employee number, employee name is super key. Employee ID and employee number, this two combination is also super key. Employee number and employee name, this two combination also super key. Employee ID, employee number, employee name, this 3 combination is also called super key. Maximal combination of key is called super key. Next we see that candidate key. A candidate key is minimal super key. Candidate key is minimal super key or a super key with no redundant attribute. Candidate keys are not allowed to have null values. A candidate key is the subset of super key. Minimum number of key is called candidate key. Thank you.